In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide owner in Google Drive. This simple technique helps you share a file without showing who owns the original. Instead of giving people access to your actual document, you'll give them a special link that prompts them to make their own copy. Their copy will belong to them, so your ownership details won't be displayed on the version they use. Start by opening Google Drive. From any Google page, click the Google Apps grid in the top corner and choose Drive. Once Drive is open, locate the specific file you want to share. Hover over the file and click the three dots to open more actions, then choose Share. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. Change it to anyone with the link, and keep the permission as viewer to prevent edits on your original. This ensures that anyone with the link can load the prompt to make a copy. Now click Copy Link to copy the sharing URL to your clipboard and close the sharing window. Open a new browser tab. Paste the link into the address bar, but don't press Enter yet. Look closely at the URL you just pasted. Near the end, you should see the word Edit. Carefully replace the word Edit with Copy. Be sure not to remove any slashes before or after it. When you're confident the word is changed correctly, press Enter. You should now see a page that says Make a copy. This is exactly what you want. Click. Make a copy to test it yourself. Drive will create a new version of the file in your account with you as the owner of that copy. This confirms the link works as intended. From here, share that modified link with others. When someone clicks it, they'll see the same Make a Copy prompt. After they click Make a Copy, the file is saved into their drive, and they become the owner of their copy. Since they are opening and using their own version, your name and ownership details from the original won't be displayed. If the prompt doesn't appear, double-check that you set general access to anyone with the link, and make sure you replaced only the word Edit with Copy in the URL. Also keep in mind, this doesn't change the ownership of your original file, and anyone who already has direct access to the original can still see its owner there. Use the copy link when you want to distribute the content without revealing the original owner.